Samsung unveiled a boatload of laptops before we even got to CES, but we just got to take a look at one that is particularly interesting. It's the new Samsung Notebook 9 Pen, and Samsung says it's the lightest convertible in its lineup, and I think they're probably right about that. It's made out of a metal 12 magnesium alloy, which makes it incredibly light. I've been manhandling the thing and really kind of not noticing that it's even there. As the name suggests though, it does have the S Pen, which is one of the most useful flourishes that Samsung has in its arsenal, and I'm glad to see it working again on a Windows PC. When you remove the S Pen from its little cubby hole, it brings up the air command that you might be familiar with on the Galaxy Note series. So you're able to smart select, right on the screen, things like that. Samsung says this is a machine meant for artists, but I actually think it's probably better suited to students. The S Pen is a tremendous tool for note-taking, as the Note lineage sort of implies. I should also point out that the S Pen is sort of replaceable. You can actually pull out your S Pen from a Galaxy Note 8 and use it with the Notebook 9 Pen without any trouble. You shouldn't stick it in the slot that the S Pen traditionally goes in, but you can write on the screen just fine, and also use the air commands just like you would on a Galaxy Note. You can use some Galaxy Note style features on the Notebook 9 Pen, my favorite of which is being able to use the Smart Select, capture a portion of the screen, and turn it into GIFs, because GIFs rule society, and that's just something we're gonna have to live with. It's a remarkably speedy little machine. It does use one of Intel's 8th generation Core i7 chipsets with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. There's a 39 watt-hour battery inside, which is not the biggest in Samsung's lineup, but it should be enough to get you, they say, about 9 hours of use on a single charge. There's a lot to like about this machine. It's incredibly light and it's incredibly portable. Hopefully we're gonna spend a little more time with this thing to kind of get a real sense of how it performs in the real world. But until then, stay tuned for more coverage out of CES in Las Vegas.